Alright everybody, I'm back here at the Christian Street parking garage here in downtown Lancaster. Lancaster PA's newest parking garage. And I'm going to see how these KONE Elevators are doing in 2024. We're going to start with running this elevator first. I believe this was broken the last time when I filmed here. Take up the 8. Here are an 8. I hate to say this, but these elevators are definitely not that great.
Going down.
Back down to 1. Of course I can't go to 1 arc, that opens up right into the library, so it's closed at this time. There's your cab view. Unfortunately, these elevators are not in the best shape. Lots of scratches on the walls. Questionable stains on the floor. There's our fender security. There's your floor indicator. There's your KONE logo. Capacity is 3,500 pounds. These are your buttons. KSS 140. By the way, this garage does not have a second floor, since the second floor is basically all of the Lancaster Public Library, which is connected to this garage.
First floor.
Here we're back at 1. We'll send this car all the way up to 8. See if the left car is working. It's all the way up upstairs on the 8th floor. There goes that car. And now we'll see if the left car is working. Up here it comes. Unfortunately, these are very slow elevators. These travel about 150 feet per minute for 8 floors. Could have made these a little bit faster, but these aren't really the greatest elevators to begin with anyway. And here's the left car. No voice in this car. Put the 8. Here we're on 8. Back down to 1. Cab view. This elevator, just like the other one. Fortunately, these elevators are really not great, like I said before. Some scratches on the wall, not as much as the other one has. The floor is a little bit better than this one compared to the other one. There's a fender security. There's your floor here. KONE, capacity 3,500 pounds. And these are your KSS 140 fixtures. Like I said, this garage does not have a second floor. And here we're at 1. It's got a very slow door. We'll go up to 7 to get a view, since we can't get off at the 8th floor due to construction, as you can see by that sign. Watch the button go out. Here we're at 7. Let's see, here's a good view up here. There goes the elevator. Get a very slow door. So here's your view from the 7th floor of the garage. Doesn't appear to be the greatest view since the window's kind of tinted yellow. Down there is Yule Plaza. Right across the street is Binns Park. Not sure what that building is there. Should manpower elevator. Not sure what that is right there. So we get a good view behind this, where this might be the garage covering. We get a better view since it's all clear. So like I said, down there is Yule Plaza, Binns Park. We'll go around this side of the garage and go back down the elevator where I parked. And here's your view from this side of the garage. Not the most exciting view. You can see the Duke Street garage right there. There's City Hall right here. And down there you can see the Marion Courtroom and the Marion Court offices with the awesome 1950s Otis black button. And down there is Marion Court itself. Alright, I guess we'll go back down the elevator and end the video. Okay, this is Lancaster's newest parking garage, by the way. I believe this garage was built sometime in the early 2020. I think 2021 or 2022. One of those years. Anyways, let's take a ride back down the KONE Elevators. And we got the same car we just came up in. We'll go down to 3 where I parked and end there. And here are 3. Alright. So that was your 2024 checkup on the KONE Elevators here at the Christian Street parking garage. There goes the slowest molasses door. And you look over here. There is my beautiful blue Chevy Cruze. I guess that will be it for the video.